There's nothing inside.
As you can see.
Jesus Christ.
Maybe they put it here.
What did they put in there? There's nothing inside. What the? Nothing inside. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited, and as you can see, I have a package right beside me. This package came in from YouTube yesterday, and yes, I know what is on top. This package on top, but I don't know what is in the bigger one. The one on top is my YouTube play button. I'm so excited. I hit 100,000 subscribers I think 2 years ago on YouTube, and I'm just getting it now. That is on my main channel, Eti Frank. Eti Frank. That is on Eti Frank channel, and I'm just so excited to open this play button. So I'm just going to cut this out. This is where it came from, and God, babe, why are you looking at me like that? My husband is just staring. This is it, guys. This is it. I'm so excited. I don't know what's inside, but I'm excited. So I'm just going to unbox this right in front of you. I'm super excited, guys. I am so excited about this package. This is it. This is it. This is it. YouTube, thank you. I'm not even opening it. I'm saying thank you. It has something here sealed, and I don't know how to open this. Baby, can you help me? I don't know how to open that. There's nothing inside.
As you can see.
Jesus Christ.
Maybe they put it here.
What did they put in there? There's nothing inside. What the? Nothing inside. Okay. Let's see this other package. Let me just remove this my one. Reads, YouTube, you deserve something special. Yes, I deserve something special. Thank you. And I'm just going to open it up. Okay. First of all, I think this is what was supposed to be inside that empty package that I saw. And oh my god, it says my silver play button. I'm so emotional right now. For a second I thought they just sent me an empty packet, but I decided to be hopeful. My husband said maybe it will be inside, and yes, it's inside. And let me bring it out. Please help. So this is it. It shows presented to Eti Frank. Can you focus here? Can you see that? I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so it shows presented to Eti Frank. I'm so happy. Thank you, YouTube. I'm going to now have this at the background of my videos. For passing 100,000 subscribers, guys, did you see that? I am so excited. Ooh, I can see myself through it. And it also has this hook where I can hang it if I decide to hang it, or baby, come on, hold it. We did this together. Come on. So I started this YouTube channel when we were dating. And he has been there through every milestone of.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was sleeping. I was trying to rest. It's a Saturday, and obviously I came back from training, and I'm so excited because you deserve it, baby.
Thank you.
You deserve it. Presented to Eti Frank for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube, on behalf of YouTube, baby.
Yes.
I present it to you.
Congratulations. Thank you. Take a screenshot. Wow.
This is lovely.
That's lovely.
Whoa, I can see myself.
Yes. So are we just going to keep this? It's like we're going to keep this in the sitting room.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so anybody
People
that comes in will know that.
These guys have done the whole lot on YouTube.
Okay, so we need to see the other thing that is in the box.
Alright.
This looks like a
duvet.
duvet. Okay, first of all, here is the little letter that.
Very?
Yeah.
It reads, "Hey there, as we look back on 2019, we are awed and inspired by your creativity and dedication to your craft and your community. Thank you for a great year. We think you deserve to take some time to unwind and recharge. So, this year, we want to introduce you to your new customized of ours home coat. The closest you can get to wearing your duvet without cutting arms holes in it. This ultimate robe is gender neutral and one size, so you can even share it, but you might not want to." So cheers to another great year. Team YouTube. A fist bump for you, YouTube. Take it.
Okay, this is it, and it has my name written on it, Eti Frank. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, and it's from the YouTube.
You're gonna try it out, eh?
Yeah, it's a robe, right?
Robe
duvet. Okay, can we get this out? It's another one.
Thank you for all the hard work in 2019. Happy holidays, and here's your bigger 2020. Adi.
Oh, thank you, Adi. Adi, you've been great. Adi has been wonderful. Thank you so much. Oh, it came with something else underneath. What's that? Oh, to sleep. Get a great sleep wherever you are. Thank you so much. And these are jet lag marks, summer Fridays. Okay, let me bring this out. Whoa, it's lovely, it's beautiful. Can you see that? Yes. On behalf of baby, can you come up here? Okay, I think I should wear this. Oh, and there's something else again. Ear shade. Flexible silicone earplugs. One size fits all. Okay, that is also in here.
Okay, so this is what this looks like.
Okay, it just makes this sound. And I think I saw this on Dima's video. And
Okay, I think I get the jack.
Yeah.
So if you can't sleep,
you need something
a little
like
sound, kind of.
yeah, to calm and make one sleep. Oh, I thought as much. There's something else. And it's the YouTube socks. So this is it. And let me check. Just maybe I can find something else. It's not the silicone ear plug.
There it is.
Yeah, it is. So that is it. And it came with this small packaging stuff. And this is where we'll bring the video to an end. This thing will soon go off. This thing is warning again.
When you do.
On behalf of all of us at Eti Frank and my lovely husband and our beautiful daughter Eleora, we say thank you to YouTube, and special thanks to Adi. Yes, for making this possible and for sending this over. I really do appreciate your help and your effort, your support towards my channel. If you are watching this, I just want you to know that we really do appreciate and love you. Thank you. And to my subscribers that made this possible, we love you from the bottom of our heart. We love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and
yeah,
expect great content from us.
Yes, great content
moving
forward.
Yeah,
thank you. So this is the robe duvet that came in it, and I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it right now.
Thanks guys. So till we come your way again, we're so excited, YouTube.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao, bella, ciao, bella, ciao, bella.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.